Hey guys, I'm Tom from Mr. Poolman. Today, I'm going to cover the TechniX Hawk automatic pool cleaner available from mrpoolman.com.au. The Hawk pool cleaner is a perfect addition to keep your pool spotless year after year. It can be installed in minutes around the pool without any tools. It cleans the walls and floors thoroughly with its bumper fin and anti-stick skirt, leaving you with a completely clean pool every time. The Hawk can vacuum up bugs, leaves, sand and silt in a breeze. A standard 1 horsepower pump is all the Hawk needs to crawl around the pool and pull in large debris. The TechniX Hawk is a powerful, well-built automatic pool cleaner that can take on about any pool size and shape. The Hawk does not include a hose as it commonly attaches to your existing pool hose. The lightweight Hawk is packed with features usually found in other cleaners twice its price. The Hawk is truly in a class of its own. All TechniX pool equipment is backed by a factory warranty. We have many years of experience helping pool owners just like you, providing free quotes and advice so you can decide on which option is best for your pool. The TechniX Hawk will be right at home in any backyard oasis. Thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions, please drop us an email to support@mrpoolman.com.au. I'm Tom, happy swimming.